pattern, your third unit, right? Patterns. So patterns are formed when the objects, even numbers, are repeated uniformly in a specific way. It has to be repeated. The numbers, even everything has to be repeated uniformly in a specific way. That is pattern. Example, you can see that see here there is a pattern. See here, there is a pattern. It is repeated uniformly in a specific way. You can check it out, right? It is repeated uniformly in a specific way. So this window is the pattern. Similarly, you can see the wall tiles. See here, it's a rectangle shape. Shape is rectangle. So this is also repeated uniformly in a specific way. See in the down, the third, everywhere. It is repeated uniformly in a specific way. Right? That is a pattern. Geometrical shapes, you know, we have a square, rectangle, triangle, circle, everything. Right? With that shapes, it has to be repeated. See here, you see the geometrical shapes, patterns. Right? We know the shapes, triangle, square, rectangle, all are shapes, circle, everything is a shape. Now, in geometrical shape pattern, we have two types. One is the growing pattern, another one is the repeated pattern. Growing pattern means it has to be growing in a straight line with the geometrical shape. Growing means it has to be increased, right? Growing. See here, there is one square, 2, 3, and surely the next will be the 4, because it has to grow in a straight line with the geometrical shape. This is called growing geometrical pattern. Repeated pattern. See here, triangle, circle, star, triangle, circle, star. Again it is repeated. It is repeated in the straight line with the geometrical shape. Right? So it's a repeated pattern. Again next will be the same thing is repeated. Right? Similarly, numbers. In numbers also we have a growing and repeated pattern. The numbers are repeated or grown with odd and even numbers. Right? Odd and even numbers, either it has to grow or it has to be repeated. That is the pattern. See here, 5, 10, increased by 5. Each number is increased by 5. So it is growing. It is a growing pattern in a straight line, right? So next to this, surely we will get 40. After that, 45. It goes on like that. It's a growing pattern, number pattern, right? Now repeated in numbers. See here, 744. What is happening? Repeated. The numbers are repeated in a straight line with order even, right? The next number will be 744. So almost you understood about the patterns. So patterns are nothing but it is formed with the objects or even or numbers when they are repeated uniformly in a specific way. When they are repeated uniformly in a specific way. You can see some examples here. I have used the chalk piece, tapes, everything for the pattern. See here, I have arranged the chalk piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that I have arranged. So it is growing. Next to this we can guess it has to be 6. It's a growing pattern. It is repeated uniformly in a specific way. Similarly, if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next to this, definitely it has to be 7 shapes to get that pattern. Patterns are formed like this, right? So it is 7. It is also an example for a growing pattern. Next will be, see here, there is a small tape, big tape, then bigger. A small, big, bigger. Next to this, what will come? Definitely a small, big, bigger. So what is happening here? Here it is repeated, right? A pattern is repeated in a straight line with a geometrical shape. It is a repeated pattern. Similarly, you can check here. See, there is a small 2 tapes, a big 2 tapes, small 2, big 2, small. So it is repeated again and again in a straight line with a shape. So next to this, surely it has to be a small 2, then a big 2 tape. It is also a pattern. Right? Okay? We understood about the patterns. So patterns are formed with objects, even and numbers repeated uniformly when these are repeated uniformly in a specific way, the patterns are formed. Today your homework is to take your patterns chapter, right? This is your chapter. So all these you have to complete. All the activities you have to complete. This is your work today. Patterns and numbers also there. That will elaborate I'll explain in the next class. Okay, kids. Bye. Take care.